Do you know there's an old saying, man shall not live by bread alone. Pools shall not live by membrane alone. We make reinforced membrane, but we also have a series of accessories that help your pool installation process to be as optimal, efficient, and long-lasting. Here, I present a series of products that go along our reinforced membrane. We assemble the reinforced membrane over a conglomerate with liquid PVC with an overrun, with a butt welding stripe to butt weld, and a specific geotextile. This video is simply to say that reinforced membrane is not just reinforced membrane. There's a whole system behind it. We talk about a system to the point that in some countries, they do not offer warranty if the whole system was not applied. If we use a different contact glue, it can cause migration problems on the chemical components through the membrane. If we use different rivets, some parts of the membrane can rust, and those are irreversible stains. If we use a different geotextile, I would tell you not to use geotextile, or if you're better off not using any. Membrane will not be more protected without geotextile than with a bad quality geotextile of hemp, linen, cotton, or jute. They will cause irreversible organic stains. Let's avoid working out of the system. We have laboratories, engineering departments, and development department, the famous R&D and I. All of that at your service for your pool, for it to last and be more efficient. I'm just telling you not to install our membrane without accessories or third-party accessories that don't belong in the system. The only thing it will bring is trouble in the long term, short term, or medium term.